right this way, Rising Moon.
Rising Moon's welcome.
Nice to see you both.
Oh, Simi is right here. Alright. Thank you.
Welcome.
Wow.
Master Yoda himself. Beautiful. Much like the one wielded by Mace Windu.
What's your big green?
Yeah.
Good.
I like red.
Good.
We go ahead and grab those crystals that you just selected. We're going to put those crystals in this middle chamber section. Now there is a button right on the inside of the section you feel with your finger. So you're going to hold it to the button with one hand and gently pass your crystal in with the other hand. If you need any assistance, I can help you.
Wow, you did it!
Almost got it, almost got it.
Now, with those switches, you're going to see the inside.
And can I see that for 1 second, sweetheart? I'm going to check out your crystal. Perfect. There we go.
Blue square.
Okay. Next step is going to be going to column 5, those activation plates. You're going to choose either the top set or the bottom set, whichever you like. I'm assuming this is not our first lightsaber. I was like, I feel bad, but I think he's got it. I was like, I think he's all good over here. Again, so we're going to choose the top set or bottom set. Those are going to be our activation switches. So if you make it most comfortable. You like that one? Amazing. You like that one? So what you're going to do, you're going to look at your chassis. You see those red and blue squares? You're going to match the colors that are on the inside. So what color do you see on the inside? Do you see a blue? Look on the inside here. What color do you see? You see a blue? You're going to match that to the blue square. Right on top of the blue square. We're going to put the color right on top Stretch them back to the ear. Take a look at it. Okay, and then do you see that red square? Put that on top of the red square. You see it? Then you're going to flip those down here right now. Looks good to me. Go ahead and test out. Switch to the other side. Test out that switch, slide it all the way up. Perfect. You're just going to be that little gray switch, slide it all the way up. Next, we're going to go to column 1 and 2. We're going to choose 2 out of those 4 grips. You only need 2. Switch to the other one. Like that one? You want that on the top or the bottom? Flip it around. And then which one do we want for the bottom? You like that one? That's going to slide on the bottom. Just connect it firm. Next, keep pushing and twisting. You got it. I double check make sure it's all nice and tight. Yeah, perfect. There we go. So tight. Now it's going to be one of those emitters, so it'll look the same right now. So it's either one of those, right at the top. Right there. There you go. Twist on the bottom. Doesn't matter. Keep twisting, keep twisting.
My friend, what color crystal would you use?
Yeah, so push and twist them. And now you're going to choose one of those 2 pommel caps for the very bottom. Are you happy to hear this one? Perfect. What other sabers do you have? Which other ones do you have? The old power as well?
Do you feel a call to the dark side?
You suggested? Yeah, I like that one. But we activate this slide up to activate and then back to deactivate. Congratulations. happy with how it looks, just
Nice. How are you feeling about this? You built a lightsaber before?
Now we are going to activate it all together. So this is activate your slide.
And what color crystal did you choose this time? It's a good combination for these pieces.
And then you put it right here, right now. You reach it, Carol. There we go.
Are you done? Are you excited? Wow, you did it, John. Are you done, Papa?
Now, builders, before we move forward, I'd like us to take a moment to center ourselves and quiet our minds. So go ahead and take whatever posture feels most comfortable for you, whether that be standing as you are, reaching a hand out to your lightsaber hilts, or even, yes, taking it into your hand if that feels comfortable. But just take a moment to feel that connection, the force flowing between you and your saber. Reflect on what you created and where the force is calling you to use it. Excellent. Well, you have completed your hilts, which of course leads us to the most dangerous stage in the process. So I'm going to ask you to leave your hilts on your stations and step back for me. As far back as you can go, if you will. Be a little bit careful though. Some of those crates that are lining the walls are holding things that are, for lack of better words, mildly explosive. But trust me, that is not what you need to worry about for now. Now, you might be looking around and wondering what the gatherers are doing. They're placing your lightsaber hilts into the crystal stabilization chamber. Now, some of you might know that in a more traditional lightsaber build, a Jedi would typically use their own abilities and force to stabilize their kyber crystals themselves. But due to the nature that we've collected these crystals and these pieces, we do have to exercise them. What's happening?
Many parts there were now joined they are. Yes, lightsaber. It begins. It is time. Your journey.
Master Yoda, indeed, it is time to take the next step. Builders, we have reached the final stage. The bond between lightsaber and builder is about to be forged. In a moment, I will ask you to step forward, to place your hand on the hilt of your lightsaber, and then on my signal, we will activate them together. Are we ready?
Yes.
Then it is time. Step forward. Place your hands on your hilts and activate. Builders,
Wow.
raise your lightsabers. You have built a lightsaber. Like the Jedi and the Sith who have come before you. And like them, you too can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. Wonderfully done. Now carefully deactivate and lower your lightsabers for the time being.
Complete your lightsaber is. Like you when it can, but leave you, it cannot. Your journey, you both begin. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. Builders, in your hands you hold remarkable power. And remarkable power should not be dropped on the ground. So, to protect your new lightsaber, we are pleased to present you with a saber sheath as you depart. Now, our times and end, but your journey is just beginning. It is time for you to make your mark on the galaxy. And remember that you are as unique and extraordinary as the lightsabers you have created. And who knows, perhaps next time we'll be telling your story. Now, one last time, builders. Raise your lightsabers and activate. Till aspire.
Till aspire.
My friends, I wish you all safe travels and true adventure. You'll be exiting the workshop right through that doorway to continue your journey.
Don't drop, okay? Wait, Papa. Papa need Papa.
You want the
Blue